Ed here with the Digital Digest, and today I wanted to share a quick unboxing and first look at the G300 360 Dashcam. Now, 360 is the manufacturer. They actually reached out to me. They're sending a few products for me to review. This is the first one that arrived, and at roughly $80 US, it promises what it sounds like to be your 160-degree wide-angle dashcam, essentially a little bit beyond 1080p resolution. I believe it's 1296p. Again, 160-degree wide angle. This is going on the front of your car. Of course, night vision capable. They claim parking monitoring, emergency recording. So all of these things are built in GPS with syncing up to Google Maps. And I believe they include a 32 gig micro SD card. But we'll see when I get it out of the box right now. And this launched, I think, sometime in the summer of this year. So it's a fairly new product. And there are a lot of these on the market at its price point. I don't think that it's bad. That's part of the reason that I agreed to take a look at it. I'm more interested in 360's new robotic vacuums that seem to take on Roborock head on. And that's really what I'm waiting on. This is just what they sent me in the interim. I believe they also have a camera coming my way for home security. So the first thing you can see out of the box are two stickers that are backwards, telling me to paste the sticker near the top. Okay, so this is for applying it to your windshield. The actual dash cam manual. Then we have that included 32 gig card that I was just mentioning. So they did include a 32 gig card. And then the dash cam itself. Now, a lot of these things are on the market. Some are great, some are awful. But I do recommend them to all of you out there because when it comes to insurance claims and accidents happening, well, they happen. And this can often be the difference between you winning or losing your case when someone hits you, when the car is parked. This is the way you're going to capture it. This does have, it appears, a display here on the back. Power button right here. There is no internal battery on this, so it is going to be hardwired. You can see right here, please insert the micro SD card and USB cable before use, so you are going to keep this hardwired. It is telling you need a Class 10 SD card, but that makes sense, and use the original USB cable that is included with the 360 G300. So again, 160-degree field of view. This is what you're using for the application with that on your windshield. And then what I'm expecting to be in here are the balance of the accessories, aka your hardwired cable. Let's see. So yeah, that is. So we've got a tool. I'm assuming this is for removal in the event you want to take it off. That's what it looks like. And then here we just have the USB cable. Again, it is a micro USB to Type A. So if you have a Type A port in your car, which you likely do, I have one, then you're just going to wire it up and you're good to go. And it's all just going to be a matter of how long it can actually keep, the battery, or excuse me, the SD card running to capture anything. So we'll see how it works. But again, it's going to just mount on your windshield like that. And then the camera obviously is going to be facing your windshield and capture, again, 160 degrees. And then while driving, this should be a preview, but I'll find out. Power button, menu, navigation right there. So get that in focus for you. We'll see how it works. Again, this was just one of the first things they wanted to ship out. Again, I'll have, I think it's an IP camera coming next, but my real interest with this manufacturer are their robotic vacs that compete directly with Roborock, because anyone who follows my channel knows that I've pretty much had just about every robotic vacuum under the sun, and they seem to be making some LiDAR systems that do compete with Roborock and come in at competitive prices. And during this pandemic, I mean, if you haven't picked up a robotic vac, boy, is this the time. Any questions or comments, please feel free to post them. Hit that like button. And as usual, please feel free to subscribe and please stay safe. Later.